Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here are the supplies you will need for this tutorial. I will be making a snowman out of Dollar Tree items. The first thing I'm going to do is spray paint my wire wreath. Now I'm going to begin making my wreath out of this white mesh. The first thing I'm going to do is take 2 rows of mesh and put them together right on top of one another. The next thing I'm going to do is fold my mesh in half about 4 inches. Then I'm going to place it under the first opening of my wires. I will continue by putting the mesh in the second opening of my wires and then the third opening. Family, I am doing a collaboration with DIY by Nadia. She does some fabulous wreath on Wednesday. She calls it Wreath Wednesday. So we are doing a collaboration. Go over and watch her channel. She will upload her beautiful wreath on today. So go head on over there and tell her Monica sent you. After I finish that, I'm going to twist my mesh 3 times and then I'm going to repeat the step by putting some mesh in my first wires, then the second opening of my wires, then the third. And I'm going to continue on all around my wreath. I am so excited that this is the 2nd day of December. I'm so happy that I will be bringing you a video each day of this month. You know, I have to stop and say thank you to everyone who is watching my video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so you can know each time I upload a video. And for my returning family members who I love so dearly, thank you for rocking with me this whole entire year. I appreciate you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys are having a great day and I hope you have an awesome rest of this year. Now once you get the hang of this, it is very simple to do. Now in the beginning, you know, you have to straighten out a lot of the mesh, but once you get started, this project is very easy to do. Right now I'm just putting my mesh around my wreath to make the face of my snowman. Okay, now I'm finished putting on all of the mesh around my wreath. Now I'm going to cut out the face of my snowman. Okay, this little snowman face is made out of plastic, so I am able to just cut the back of it. So I detach the face from the hat. Now I'm going to glue the face onto the mesh. Then I'm going to glue the hat onto the mesh, and I'm going to glue some of the hat onto the face. I'm going to now glue my cute little buffalo check tie to the mesh. I decided to light up my snowman by taping a string of lights to the back of my wreath. I am finished. This snowman was so easy to make and it turned out so cute. Comment below and tell me what you think about my little Frosty the Snowman. Don't forget to go over and check out DIY by Nadia. Check out her wreath for today.